Graph each equation on graph paper, then drag each equation to the correct graph. What we're looking at these are translations of the cube root function. I want to show you how to graph the parent function for the cube root function first. So x and f of x. For the inputs, I'm going to pick perfect cubes because those are much easier numbers to work with. Okay, so the cube root of -8 is -2, cube root of -1 is -1, cube root of 0 is 0, cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8 is 2. So there's a parent function for any cube root function. Then it's a matter of translating in this case. So I'm going to plot the points on this graph here. We got 0, 0, 1, 1, and then 8, 2. Let me about out here. Then 1, then -1, -1, and -8, 2. So the parent function about right there. And then what you would do is you would go ahead and translate the function as needed. Or you could even stretch or shrink it depending on what you're doing. Now it looks like this graph right here was shifted 3 to the right. Notice how the center is not at 0, 0, it's 3 to the right from where it normally would be. So that would be this guy right here. This next one is 3 to the left, and that would be the +3 inside the radical instead of the -3. This next one is shifted 3 down from 0, 0. So that's going to be a -3 outside of the radical. And this one's shifted 3 up. It's going to be a +3 outside of the radical. Okay, so if you know your translations and you can graph the parent function, this whole situation is pretty straightforward. And if you have any further questions on translations or the parent function, please send a message to your teacher.